Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel The Shining Glam. Today I am going to show you how to make a paper soap at home. It's travel friendly, easy to make and very useful when you are outside and need to wash your hand.
To make a paper soap, you need only a few simple things: liquid hand wash or soap, butter paper or baking paper, a brush or spoon, and then scissors. First process is to make a liquid soap. First, place the butter paper on a flat surface. Now take a small amount of liquid soap and spread it very thinly on the paper using a brush or spoon. Make sure the layer is very thin, otherwise it will take longer to dry. Now leave it to dry for about 6 to 8 hours or overnight. Once it completely dry, it will turn into a thin soap sheet. Cut it into small pieces using the scissors. To use it, just take a one paper soap, add water and rub your hand together. It will quickly create a foam and clean your hand.
And that's it. Your DIY paper soap is ready, perfect for your travel, school or your hand. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for more DIY ideas.